To start, launch the app from the website. Go to inkforvr.app. Right now, the app is not signed in. Click Launch VR. Because the app is not signed in, cloud features won't work. Open the Files control panel and click Leave VR to leave VR. To sign in, click Already Have Subscription. Enter your email and password, then click Sign In. Once you've signed in, you can click Launch VR to re-enter VR. And now, the cloud features will connect, and you'll be able to access your cloud saves. You'll still leave VR by opening the Files control panel and clicking Leave VR.